Arctic Haze are leading UK suppliers of heating and plumbing tools and consumables. Arctic Haze are pleased to introduce the new Arctic Haze U-Flow Cup. The Arctic Haze U-Flow Cup is a new innovative water flow measure, also known as a weir gauge. This unique design tool is made from heavy-duty ABS material. It is simple to use, low cost, and an essential tool for all heating and plumbing engineers to get more accurate water flow measurement from a tap. The U-Flow is a simple solution for checking water flow prior to the fitting of domestic appliances to ensure a sufficient water flow. Boiler manufacturers give recommended water flow guidelines for their appliances. Place the U-Flow under either a basin or bath cold tap. If you're using a mixer tap, turn the tap to the cold water position. Hold flow cup approximately 5 centimeters or 2 inches away from spout. This is displayed on top of the flow cup. Hold steady for approximately 1 minute. The U-Flow will measure between 1 to 5 gallons or 4 to 22 liters per minute. Now watching the gauge, you should get a steady reading. This may fluctuate slightly depending on the environment, i.e. someone could flush a toilet. The U-Flow has been designed with a unique baffle part inside to give more stable and accurate readings. Because the U-Flow has a unique baffle part, the U-Flow offers a very stable and accurate water flow reading, in either gallons or liters per minute. This is much more accurate than other flow cups on the market. Using a Haze stem thermometer with the U-Flow allows you to check your hot water temperatures are sufficient. Insert the stem-type probe into the dedicated thermometer hole on top of the U-Flow. The Arctic Haze U-Flow Cup and stem thermometer are available from most heating and plumbing merchants and online partners.